Well, welcome to the shed, folks. Yeah, I was a little bit tipsy in my last video. You'll have to forgive me for that. That's caught us eating that elephant. But as I promised, I'm going to start. Well, I've already started. Give me a little look before I start on this. Well, you all should know my way through here now, but I've had a good tidy up. Won't cover in the mill because I need to crack on and get that done. So yeah, I've cracked on. I've made quite a bit of space. Let's go and tattle this boiler. I haven't really seen anybody in the United States collect these at the side of the road. You must have a different type of heating system. But in the UK, this is a central heating boiler. It's a combination boiler, as it does hot water, as well as doing a closed loop heating water. I explained that very well. This one's got a built-in pump. There's a few plumbing bits, all the cold water feed, hot water outlet, central heating outlets. Let's check it bits. I have weighed it. It's 35 kilograms, around about, well, it's 78 pounds. Now I have to admit, I don't know what it would weigh in as. I scrap everything, I strip everything. I wouldn't dream of taking this to the yard as it is. It's full of valuable brass and copper. What boilers go in as? I'd be upset if it went in as shred. Picking up £100 a ton, or then that would only be worth £3. There's £3 in that there. Right, much of ado, let's check it bits, let's see what we've got. We'll let the dog see the rabbit. I'm not salvaging anything. Circuit board, transformer on, some fuses down there, some light cable. You know what I mean? Let's take this big outer casing off. You know what I mean? You see a screw, take it out. Big dish. That might come in useful, that actually. No, it's scrap. Heat exchanger. And a fan to blow out the gases, because it's gas powered. So, a little bit of aluminium. That's the access to the heat exchanger. There's end of a screw coming out there. There's no access to the screw there. Unless I go well behind there. You know what I'm going to do? Just go straight at it. Should have used that in first place, shouldn't I, really? It's made it top heavy. That's where all the money is, I think. Kingdom style. The thing is, we're leaking water. That's what the water's in. This is the expansion tank. You know, you heat water up. If you heat anything up, it expands. Because it's a closed circuit, it needs somewhere to go when it gets hot. Inside there is a rubber bag, and that allows it to expand. Full of water. We are going to take off this brass nut. Aluminium with a little motor in, so we'll strip that in a moment. We'll just take this copper off. It's all about playing, isn't it? All about playing in the shed. Nice aluminium ducting. Aluminium. Want to chop these rivets off. Hello. Aluminium. What have we got? You can see that. So obviously it was electronic ignition. The gas would come ignite here through all these little holes, I guess. That way. And the water would go through there, circulate through there via the pump, and it's a big heat exchanger. First question is, what is it? Is it aluminium? Is it copper? We'll wait to find out. So it's an aluminium heat exchanger. A little bit of copper in there. That's a magnetic ferrule. Bit disappointing. Hope that would have been copper. We'll have a tidy up. Well, we've carried on. We've had a little bit of a tidy up. Yeah. Cleaned the bench off a bit. Bit disappointed. That's an aluminium heat exchanger. We'll weigh it afterwards. Decided to take this motor apart. Oh, the circuit board We've got some copper there. Job's easy enough. Ish. I know my theory, if in doubt, give it a clout. Yep, that worked. Pretty clean. Gasket. How do we get that off? I don't know. Oh, that's easy. Clean. Oh, a magnet. I love magnets. I'm lucky I didn't smash that up actually. I'll take that magnet off there after. Ow! Ow, 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 ow. Now then, how would you get that off there? This is like that what you have in America, those washing machine motors. We've got little coils going all the way around. Who was I watching? Was it Dan? Dan from Canada. Dan Dubrovic unwound each and every one by hand. I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to slit each one. Like that. I think I'm just going to pull them off like that. That's the way I would do it. Can't take every single strand off, can I? In the iron bin, that lot. Just give it a good squashy together. And you get it like that. Right, we need to get where the money is, and the money has got to be in this. This is all about taking an adjustable and undoing them all. You're probably going to find that a bit boring. Nothing's tight on it. Little pressure gauge. Got copper on. Right, what have we got? Not magnetic, but it could be stainless. Only one way to find out. This stainless steel, but it's interleaved with copper layers. So I don't know what that would be weighed in as. So the pump is scrap. There you go. They've made this easy for stripping, haven't they? There's Allen key heads here, but rather than go to that trouble, I'm just going to slit through them. Easy way to do it. If in doubt, give it a clout. So we split the casting. Got it out. What we're after. At least we'll get some sort of money out of it. I'll strip that. Well, that's that stripped. Scales out. I'll go for the aluminium. I'm sticking it all on. I'm not going to split it up between cast and light and anything. Oh. All clean. And we're coming in at 7.9 kilograms. All we're fetching £600 a tonne, 60 pence a kilogram, 8/6 is £4.20. We're on a winner as it is. Run all the copper in one tub. £1.284, near as damn it, 1.3 kilograms. On average, I don't know, between 3,600, 4,200, you know, bright wires can go as high as 4,500 a tonne. So I averaged £4 a kilogram, and that came out at 1.3 kilograms, so £4 and a third, £1.25. We're up to £12. Brass is weighing out at 1.7 kilograms. Always we're averaging about £2,600 a tonne for brass, so £3.50. Tiny bit of nothing in stainless steel. Little bit of light wire, little bit of circuit board. Worked. What's in here? Oh well, Raphael would like that. There's a little glint of gold at the bottom of there, and there's also a chip. So that's it. That's it. We started off at the beginning. I'm going to weigh it in. Never weighed a boiler in before. I don't know, I've always stripped them. So I'm just guessing at what I might get paid. It was 35 kilos. If it was shred and it's just going in at £100 a tonne, £3. Maybe I'd get motor prices for it, £200 a tonne. So double that, £6. Took it to bits. I've had some fun in the shed, and I've probably got 12, £14 out of it. To me, it was worth doing. Not only do I multiply the money I would get out of it, but I create the space, and at the moment that's what I'm doing, creating space. Right, I've had enough. In the shed, I'll catch you about. See you all.